So I found my old silver polish. It's really crusty and old. And I was looking on the back and it says, I probably bought it in 2005, which sounds about right because, you know, that's about when I was buying my silver jewelry. But these earrings, especially on the back side, you can tell they're just really not doing great. So I'm going to drop them in here and see what happens. I had to unscrew the lid with 2 hands, but you can see we have, I don't know, maybe calcification going on inside of there. But I'm just going to drop them in here and we'll let them sit for a little bit. And then this little thing, I just bounce them around in there. We'll see how they do. I remember once I was helping my friend to clip back a bush in front of his house, and he wasn't sure if it would survive or not. And after we chopped it down, kind of like, you know, dropping this silver and this old stuff here, I said, well, either it'll survive or it won't. So guys, I kind of feel the same thing here with this old silver cleaner. 20-year-old silver cleaner. Let's see if it still works or if it's going to ruin my costume jewelry. And if it works, here's a bunch more of my old costume jewelry. It was funny. I used to wear these ones right here all the time because they're just kind of pretty. And I bought several pair of these over the years because I kept losing them or whatnot, leaving them places. But these are just dirty and crusty. So we'll see how those come out. Actually, you know what? Let's just drop them in there now. And take off these rubber ends with my teeth. These little rubber ends are actually the bits that come with the earrings on the little card in the store to keep them from from falling off the card. But I find that they work really well to keeping the earrings in my ears also. Because like I'll forget and I'll lay down at night and lose them in the bed. All right, and then we'll drop those in there too. All right, that's all of them. Let's see what happens. Oh, this here says to soak for 10 seconds maximum. So I guess I better take them out. Right, so switch them around. I pulled this bowl over here. Oh, I lost one of them in there. Wow. Well, they came out really clean. I lost one of the earrings in the bottom here. Oh, come on now. Put my whole hand in there. All right, now I'm just gonna rinse them off. Make sure I'm not losing any in the sink here. I'll put that cutting board right just in case. And then I'll put these on a towel. But yeah, that's all there is to it, to cleaning the silver. Even 20-year-old silver cleaner works. So how about that? Let's see. I'm doing very good at it. See? How did it get those? Those could probably go back in there. I feel like they need to be wiped off. Yeah, see, like right there on that. There's that little bit of crusty stuff on the end of here. I guess a soft brush would work too, but I don't have a soft brush. But yeah, it just kind of cleans them right up. Better than they were. What does that say? Anything? Oh no. Does this one? Maybe it's just a maker's mark. Yeah, those things need to be wiped off. Look how crusty that is. They need to go back in there. They didn't get the whole 10 seconds, I don't think. That's normally we're like 925. Oh, it does say 925. Looks like it's upside down. And I don't know what it says after that. Try looking from this angle. IRBTM, IBBTM, 188TM. Maybe I can look that up.